Diagnostic and monitoring technologies for track and fixed infrastructure. Nowadays, mixed traffic railway operators are facing various challenges. Higher train frequencies and axle loads, combining the requirements of both passenger and cargo trains, increasing travel speeds and safety requirements. Achieving highest availability with lowest lifecycle costs requires innovative and intelligent solutions. The trend towards urbanization is leading to more and more people moving into the cities. The demand for public mobility is increasing. Urban railway operators, both metro and tram, are faced with the challenges of tight cycle times, higher usage of their network, and less slots for maintenance. Due to rising demands for raw materials, freight traffic operators have to cope with higher axle loads, longer trains, and zero tolerance for infrastructure downtime. Within this highly competitive sector, freight railways have to meet the challenges to combine highest profitability and availability at lowest lifecycle costs. To travel at high speed comfortably between cities in an environmentally conscious way. These are the key drivers that high-speed lines have to meet. Challenges such as the increasing demand on availability and safety, limited slots for maintenance, and highest demand on track assets are critical to ensure the success to compete with air traffic. As part of voestalpine Railway Systems, we are incorporating the know-how of more than 160 years of railway experience in our monitoring technologies. Our international network of regional support centers and sales offices ensure the best and fastest support for our customers. We understand the challenges railway operators are facing today. With ROADMASTER, our monitoring and diagnostic system, we provide railways with intelligent information to enable condition-based maintenance and therefore ensure highest availability with lowest lifecycle costs. Turnout systems are at the same time the most fragile and most important assets in a railway infrastructure. Using switch condition monitoring, degradations are detected and visualized before the availability is affected. Necessary measures can be initiated, highest availability of the turnout is ensured, and the costs for the operator are reduced. Track circuits are a vital part of many signaling systems, and maintaining their performance is fundamental to the safety and efficiency of the rail network. Track circuit monitoring reliably identifies deterioration in track circuit performance and issues alerts to allow maintenance before failure. The performance and reliability of all signaling systems is dependent on the quality and availability of the power supply network that feeds them. Signaling power monitoring offers rail operators the opportunity to remotely monitor power supplies. Deterioration in insulation of the system is detected in advance, preventing major disruption to signaling systems whilst improving the safety of the workforce. Rail crossings are a critical interface between the railway and the public highway. Rail crossing monitoring continuously monitors and records the performance of railway crossings to enable proactive maintenance. Sophisticated measurement of complex components and subsystems reduces the likelihood of disruption to both road and rail services and helps cut the cost of routine maintenance. Vertical rail movement and changes in rail temperature can have a significant impact on the performance of the track system and its assets. Monitoring systems provide valuable data for the reliability of track systems and for the structure, thus building a much more comprehensive long-term view as the basis for efficient maintenance. ROADMASTER, to ensure highest availability with lowest lifecycle costs.
Voestalpine. One step ahead.